Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the heart of Marrakech to explore how traditional Moroccan cuisine is being revolutionized. Yes, we're talking bold flavors, innovative twists, and culinary creativity that's taking the food scene by storm. So, what makes Moroccan cuisine so unique? Well, it's all about the blend of spices like cumin, coriander, and saffron. But here in Marrakech, chefs are pushing boundaries like never before. Imagine a tagine, but with a splash of truffle oil, or a classic couscous elevated with some exotic, locally sourced ingredients. Sounds mouthwatering, right? I started my culinary adventure at a small hidden gem of a restaurant known only to the locals. Here the chef, a young Moroccan visionary, is incorporating techniques from all around the world into his dishes. I tried a lamb tagine that was slow-cooked to perfection, with a twist of Japanese miso that truly transformed the dish. It was a fusion that I didn't even know I needed in my life. Next up, street food. But not as you know it. We're talking about street food carts serving up gourmet bites. I had these incredible Moroccan tacos. Yes, tacos. They were filled with spiced kefta, preserved lemon cream and a drizzle of harissa sauce. Simply put, it was a flavor explosion. Now, no culinary revolution would be complete without a touch of sweetness, right? For dessert, I ventured into a cafe where they served a deconstructed baklava. It had all the traditional elements, but each component was given a modern twist, enhancing both the textures and flavors. As I wandered through the bustling alleys and vibrant markets of Marrakech, it became clear that the city's food scene isn't just evolving, it's truly reinventing itself. Each bite tells a story of tradition meshed with modern innovation, making every meal an exciting adventure. So, if you're a foodie like me, Marrakech should definitely be on your radar. The way these chefs are mixing the old with the new is not just revolutionary, it's absolutely delicious. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey through Marrakech. Until next time, keep exploring and tasting the world.